The only person who makes the difference of life and death. Only person who comes after God, if not equal. Doctor. It's more than just a passion and way more than a profession. It's obvious that such responsibility comes at a cost, and you right now are paying that cost. The effort you are putting in, the hard work you are doing, it's all a preparation for the future responsibilities. Stop worrying about what happens tomorrow. Focus on today. Focus on the time you have in your hand right now. Study hard, solve paper, keep revising. All this struggle will pay off one day. This is the time that is going to decide your future. I dare you, not even think about giving up now. Now that you're so close to your dream. You saw a dream of becoming a doctor, of making a change. You have been working hard for it, and now is the time to achieve it. Every year over 15 lakh students apply for the NEET exam, but only few thousand finally make it to the MBBS seat. Were those few thousand special? What made them more deserving than others? Ask yourself this. What makes you more deserving than others? Why your name should be there in a MBBS seat of this country? What extra effort are you putting in? All those sacrificed parties, missed festivities, separated social life, late night studies, everything will pay off. People don't believe in your dream? Let them not. Let people say whatever they want to. Let people think whatever they want to. You continue studying. You continue working hard towards your dream. Everything will change the day you crack the NEET exam, the day you enter a medical college. So don't waste your time explaining people your dream. Rather, invest your time into achieving that dream. Do little extra each day. An extra topic, few extra questions, an extra hour. This little extra effort each day will make the difference of you cracking the NEET exam and others just dreaming about it. Stop procrastinating things. Don't keep things for tomorrow. Set your daily goals and achieve them. Remember, the more you postpone your studies, farther your dream of being a doctor is getting drifted. So keep your eyes focused on your dream. You know the destination, you know the route. All you need to do is now work on that path. So study hard, practice harder, and go crack the exam.